Gusto ko pa rin batiin ang akin pong mga mahal sa buhay, ang aking pamilya, ang akin pong kabiyak na si Lali Eliazar. Palakpakan po natin. Ako po ay may 4 na anak. Yung panganay po si Sarah is celebrating her birthday today, but he is on duty as an intern doctor at hindi po makapunta po dito. By the way, my wife actually has celebrated her birthday yesterday. Happy birthday, Lali. At ako naman, ang akin pong kaarawan ay bukas. So, magkakasunod po kami, 11 si Lali, ako ay 13, at yung aming panganay na normal delivery ay eksaktong naging 12. Andiyan din po, isa kong anak naman, si Marco Lorenzo, isa rin pong doktor. Palakpan po natin si Marco. At naandyan din po ang, palakpan natin po si Sheila, ang kanyang special friend. Naandyan din po ang isa ko pang anak na si Julia, at saka si Victor, ang bunso. At ang aking pong biyanan, si Mrs. Juliet Gonzalez Hernandez. Palakpakan po natin sila. Kasama ko rin po ang aking mga kapatid. Kami po siyam sa aming pamilya. Ang aming pong panganay ay nasa Amerika. Si Judy Eliazar Ilag and her husband Greg. Kasama ko po rin po dito ang aking pong sunod na kapatid na si Ate Imbek or Mayra Victoria and her husband Jerome Amon, hindi rin po nakapunta, mga senior citizen at nag-iingat. Andiyan din po isa kong kapatid na si Ate Bayi at ang kanya pong husband na si Ambassador General Ochoa. Palakpakan po natin. Kasama rin po ang isa kong kapatid na si Mina Eliazar, married to Robert Doublemarier na nasa Amerika rin. They're watching us online. Aking pong kapatid na mayor sa amin, Mayor Carlo and his wife Rachel. Palakpakan po natin. Ang sunod ay aking kapatid na si Bigoy na naandyan din. Ako po yung pampito at ang papaulo namin ay si Louie na naandyan din kasama ko palagi. At ang pinakabunso namin pansyam ay si Father Richard Eliazar. Naandyan din po siya.
Today, as we pay tribute to Police General Guillermo Lorenzo T. Eliazar's tenure as Chief of the Philippine National Police and welcome Police General Leonardo Carlos as he takes command of our 220,000 strong police force. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been 6 months since President Rodrigo Roa Duterte bestowed General Eliazar the Herculean task and responsibility to lead the nation's principal law enforcement agency. You may recall the disappointment came at a time when the public is yearning for a strong-willed and compassionate policing as the COVID-19 pandemic stretches its devastating track to almost every corner of the country. It is a time when problems and criticisms came in thick and fast concerning the state and capabilities of our police officers to serve and protect amidst these most difficult times. Upon assuming command of the PNP in May this year, General Eliazar was met with great expectations to follow in the footsteps of those who came before him. And like what he has always done in all the tasks and missions given to him, General Eliazar finished the job with flying colors. Within 6 months as PNP chief, he has competently and effectively continued the tradition of dedication and excellence of his predecessors and left a legacy of his own for future PNP chiefs to follow. And through the implementation of his PET program, the intensified cleanliness policy, which pushed for cleanliness in the workplace, ranks, and in the community, General Eliazar strengthened the foundations of not only a stronger and better PNP, but also of a better, safer, and more prosperous Philippines. Under General Eleazar's exemplary leadership, we have made significant headway in ridding the country as the scourges of illegal drugs, criminality, insurgency, and corruption. During his tenure as Chief PNP, he oversaw a decline in majority of the focus crimes such as rape, physical injury, murder, homicide, and kidnapping. He likewise brought our campaign against illegal drugs a notch higher with the confiscation of a whopping 2.386 billion worth of illegal drugs under his watch. At upang mapatibay ang tiwala at suporta ng taong bayan sa ating pambansang kapulisan, naging mabuting ehemplo si General Eleazar para sa mga kapwa niya Pilipinong pulis. At bukod pa dito, maigting niyang ipinapatupad ang ating internal cleansing campaign na nagbunga sa pagpataw ng iba't ibang disciplinary measures sa mga nagkasalang tauhan ng PNP. Indeed, his short but remarkable stint as the country's top cop is the crowning jewel of General Eleazar's 34 years of service to the Philippine National Police and to the nation. But we acknowledge that all these accolades will not be possible without the never-ending love of his family and the support of his mentors and colleagues. They too are deserving of our recognition and gratitude as they help shape General Eleazar into the leader that he is today. To the Eleazar family, especially his wife, Lali, and their children, Sarah, Mark, Julia, and Victor, your love and support greatly contributed to General Eleazar's success. So on behalf of a grateful nation, thank you for being his constant source of inspiration throughout his career. May I request for them to stand up to be recognized? Another round of applause. Thank you. Gilor, sa maikling panahon na ikaw ay naglingkod bilang PNP chief at sa ibang naging tungkulin mo bilang isang pulis, ipinakita mo ang iyong galing at profesionalismong hinihiling sa mga katulad mong tagapagpatupad ng batas. I know part of you is sad that your service is about to end, but I will proudly tell you that you may walk out of this hallowed camp today happily and with pride as you have served our country well and to the best of your abilities. For your selfless service to this country, for your sacrifices, for your commitment to the men and women of the PNP, to their families, and to the entire organization, Gilor, we thank you. Sa pagtatapos ng iyong serbisyo sa bayan, dalangin ko ang iyong maayos na kalusugan at naway magkaroon ka ng sariling oras para sa iyong pamilya. Hangad ko ring magampanan mo ang mga tungkuling iyong pansamantalang naisantabi at magkakaroon ka na ng oras para sa iba pang bagay na nais mong gawin at abutin sa buhay. It has been a pleasure to know you and to serve with you, Chief Gilor. I am certain that the legacy you have left during your time as head of the PNP will not be forgotten and will live on in the years to come. Enjoy your retirement and take a well-deserved rest. Gilor, it has been really a privilege and honor for me to be serving with you to our country. At alam ko, marami ka pang hahangaring matupad sa susunod na chapter ng iyong buhay. At kung ano man yon, kami ay nakasuporta sa iyo. For the last time, let us salute General Eleazar as PNP Chief and congratulate him for 34 years of excellent, unselfish, and loyal service to the nation. Another round of applause for General Guillermo Eleazar. As General Elazar gracefully bows out of service today, I am confident that the PNP will continue to move forward in the right direction.